Everyone, so now next lecture on rainfall in India. So we are going to give a diagram, and with the diagrammatic representation. Yeah. So we are going to discuss this with the diagrammatic representation. This area is 0 to. Wait a minute. Yeah. This area is 0 to 20 centimeter. So because of that area is particularly 0 to 20 centimeter, so this is the deficient in rainfall. Now 20 to 24, so we can see this area is 20 to 24 or 40 we can say. Okay, now 40 to 60%, this area is 40 to 60%, and 60 to 100% is this whole area. 60 to 100% rainfall. 100 to 200, this area is the under 100 to 200, some part of that. Now 200 to 300, again this area. 200 to 300, this area also, and 300 to above, this Monisram and this area also. So as we given in diagrammatic representation, now we are discussing the some rainfall, like rainfall in India. Rainfall between 200 to 400 centimeter, and then we will discuss about rainfall between 100 to 200, then rainfall between 40 to 60. The area between 200 to 400, the Arabian Sea branch of southwestern monsoon, causes rainfall all along the Western Ghat, west of the coast of the Maharashtra, Gujarat, part of the MP from June to September. Now northeast India, the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon. Okay, so there is the Shillong and plateau of Garo Khasi, Jaintia Hill, Meghalaya and other state. Now in this region, orographic feature play an important role because the moisture-laden monsoon winds strike against physical barrier like mountains to cause heavy rainfall. There's some kind of mountains, and because of that mountains, the striking of the winds of the monsoon, and there's a orographic feature. What is that? Orographic feature of the rainfall. It represents that particular area. Now rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter, the average rainfall over the North Indian plain, this area, plain area, and the between area and moderate rainfall are northeastern part of the peninsular. Okay, and the highland of central India and Tamil Nadu. Rainfall between 60 to 100 centimeter okay in the upper Ganga Valley region and eastern part of the Aravali region and internal part of the Andhra Pradesh and some region of Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra and Karnataka. The intensity of rainfall decreased from east to west. This is east to west, the decrement in the intensity, and from north to south. So north to south is also decrement. Okay, now we are discussing like decrement from east to west and north to south. Like northern area get more rainfall than the southern area. So north to south in the northern plain. It is only on the northern plain, not on whole India, because southern India gets more rainfall than the north India. So in the northern plain, that is like in decreasing order only. Now area of the scanty of rainfall, that is rainfall between 40 to 60 centimeter, parts of Punjab, Haryana, northern and western Rajasthan, Kutch and Kathiawar region of Gujarat. A narrow strip of land lying in rain shadow area of peninsular Indian receive rainfall below 60 centimeter. The dry region of Rajasthan west of the Aravali Hill receive rainfall below 20 centimeter. Northern part of the Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir are another part which receive very scanty of the rainfall. Scanty is like very minute, like little rainfall is there. Area of the winter rainfall. Winter rainfall is basically northwestern part of India, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and Punjab. and UP, and coastal region of Tamil Nadu. So which is the area which get through the winter rainfall? That is Jammu and Kashmir, now Punjab, then UP, then coastal area of Tamil Nadu, rainfall due to the northeastern monsoon. Here is the southwestern monsoon strike on the like orogenic region develops there, and there is the northeastern monsoon. So hope you enjoyed this rainfall lecture.